Hey everyone, my name is Marvy and I am from Green Elephant BK. And today I am going to show you how to create a macrame coaster just for fiber art now. So let's get started. Supplies for this tutorial should be easy to find just around the house. Let's see what you'll need. You'll need heavy duty tape, scotch tape, rope or string, scissors, a dowel, and a ruler. So for this project, you'll need 10 pieces of string. Each piece of string is 3 feet long, and to prevent fraying on the ends, I taped each end piece. It'll be much easier to work with. So to attach the cord to the rope, we'll be doing a lark's head knot. To create a lark's head knot, you take your string, fold it in half, make sure the ends meet, and you will place it over your dowel and then reach through the loop of your dowel from behind and grab the 2 tails and pull to tighten. There you go. There's your first lark's head knot. Let's do it again. We take our string, you fold it in half, make sure both ends meet. You take the center of your string, pull it over your dowel, from behind, reach through that loop, grab the 2 tails, and pull to tighten. And you continue doing this with all 10 strings. Now that we secured all 10 strings onto the dowel using that lark's head, we can start creating that square knot design. The dowel is secured onto the table with 2 pieces of heavy duty tape on both ends, just so it's easier to work with. So to create a square knot, we are going to take, let's move these aside so it's easier to see. We're going to take the 4 pieces of string on the left side of your dowel. The 2 center strings are going to stay still. We'll be working with the left and the right. So with the left string, you're going to create a 4, as you can see here. The right string goes over the stem of the 4, under the 2 center strings, and then through the loop of the 4. The stem of the 4, under the 2 center strings, and then through the loop of the 4. Just like that, and then you tighten. I try not to over tighten. Tension is very important when in macrame. If you over tighten, the knots get warped. So this is a half square knot. To create a full square knot, we're gonna do the same exact thing except with the right side of the string. So create that 4, the left side of string goes over the stem of the 4, behind the 2 center strings, and then through that loop from the 4. And tighten up, and you've created a square knot. So you're gonna continue doing this for this entire row across. So we'll take the 4 centers for the next, and then create the 4 over, under, and through. And repeat the same process with the right string. Over, under, and through. Now that the first row is completed, we're going to do the same exact thing in the second row, except we're going to skip the first 2 strings on the left. And when you're done with this row, you'll have 2 more remaining on the right. So we're just going to continue on with this pattern from row 1 and from row 2, and just keep going all the way down till you get your desired length of your coaster. So I decided to stop at 7 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I think this is a perfect size for my coffee mug. So from here, what we want to do is remove this dowel. And that will automatically undo your lark's head knot. And then what I do with my scissor is that I just snip the center of each knot. So now I'm just going to trim the top and the bottom. So here it is, all done. You could always take it a step further and get a bristle brush, a fine tooth comb, or if you have one, a pet's brush, and brush out these fringes in the end for a more cleaner look. But for me, I kind of like it more rustic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You could always refer back to it for guidance or for instruction on Fiber Art Now's highlights, or head over to Green Elephant BK as well.